Hey guys, Fazil here and welcome to another C++ tutorial. And in this tutorial we're going to see what variables are. So I just want you guys to go back to your 7th and 8th grade mathematics classes where you started to learn algebra. So it's the same concept. Variables are nothing but placeholders, which means they take the value of something else. For example, if I say x equals 5, and which means this thing means that x has the value of 5 now. So if I say I want 5 chocolates, for example, so this is a pretty straightforward sentence, which means I want 5 chocolates, but instead of this 5 I can put the letter x here, because x means I have told before that x means 5. So if I say I want x chocolates, it means that I want 5 chocolates. So this is it's not just in mathematics. I mean, this concept can be, you can think of it in any way. Let's say x equals pizza. So if I have a sentence like Fazil loves pizza, so this is a straightforward sentence, and if I, instead of this pizza, if I say x here, this pretty much means the same. Fazil loves x, which means Fazil loves pizza, because x, I have told before that x equals pizza. So this is variables. It can take the value of something else, and you know what, if you change the value of x here, let's say from pizza to let's say sandwich, now this statement means the sentence reads like Fazil loves sandwich. So that's the concept here. So let's see how we can do this in C++ programming. So in C++ programming, before we say a variable, we have to tell the computer what type it is. I'll come to data types a little bit afterwards, but for now I'll just give you one. Let us say int, because we have seen this in the previous video in the definition of the function, which means int means integer. So let us say int x equals 5. So what I'm doing here is that I'm creating an integer variable. You have to read this like integer variable x, and I'm assigning it to a value of 5. So just like we did with the strings, we can print out variables, integer variables also. So if I say cout with this operator, let's say x. Now if I build and run this one, guess what I'm going to have in the output window? 5. Yes, because I printed out x, which means 5. Cool. So this is same for even strings. If I change the value of x to something else, as I told you, variables, as the name suggests, they are variables, which means the values can vary. Now if I print the output, it's going to print me 9, because I changed the value of x from 5 to 9. Okay. So you know what, you can do a lot with variables. Let's say x is 9. Let's keep x as 9. Let's say int y equals to 5, and then let's say int sum equals to x plus y. So what I have done here is you can not only assign values to variables, you can use those variables in an arithmetic operation. So here what I have done is I have created a variable called sum, which is again an integer variable, and I have assigned the value of the sum of x plus y, which is 9 plus 5. So if I print this, let's see, make it look clear. If I print sum, guess what's going to happen? It's going to print me the sum of x plus y, that is 9 plus 5, which is nothing but 14. So that's how variables work. That's how you can play with them. For example, if I just change this value to, let's say 8, what's going to happen? It's going to print me the value of x plus y, which is 9 plus 8 now, because I've changed the value of y. So that's variables in a nutshell, guys. So in the next tutorial, we'll be making a calculator, a small calculator. So that's going to be really interesting. So stay tuned, see you in the next one, and subscribe to the channel, and have fun. Bye bye.